Good morning, good morning, good morning. What's up, guys? What's going on? Crisis Time here, and it's time for some game dev. Let's do this thing. Make me a little bit louder. I'm not loud enough. Must be louder. Hold C, how you doing? Good to see you, bud. Let's roll. Let's do this thing. All right. Happy Friday. Random light coming in. But where? That's the end of it. I'm gonna turn things like this. Okay. Alright. So first thing is first, I'm the realist. Second thing, we are going to do is we are going to make sure that we're going to change out one of the attribute types. No, not the attribute types. The... What's it called? We don't like the name... the name for the persistent effects. I can't remember where I actually put that. It's got to be inside the editor, actually. Yeah, okay, effect types. Okay, I don't like rally. I actually want it to be called channel instead. I think channel works better for it. And then we can go into the editor here. Editor. Oh, can't find it. All right, found it. All right, so if it's channel, card effect, rally is totally fine to call it that for now. We're still going to call this effect channel. We're going to call it when you build the description, displayed name for effect, channel. I think channel's better. I still don't know what to do for the invoke. It could be cast. It could be on cast, on play. We could just call this on play. I don't see a problem with that, really. Like, Hearthstone calls it Battle Cry. Magic doesn't have a name for it. And then Marble Snap uses on reveal. I don't know. I think on play should be fine, actually. Okay. Now I gotta go through, I gotta adjust the cards that say the wrong name for it. This one should say on play. Beggar Woman should be on play. Cool. Giant doesn't do anything, Peasant doesn't do anything. And Shoemaker is channel. +1 attack power for each card you have. For +1 attack power for every other card you control at this POI. That should work. That should. Hopefully, it's not too much text, right? Let's see. Why is she a bigger object? What is happening? Oh lordy. Why is she bigger? Why is she bigger? Revos. 1 scale, 0.8 scale. Oh. That'll do it, won't it? Oops. Okay. She shouldn't have been bigger. Alright, so it means we need to set the scale of the prefab. We create the prefab, so save asset, create asset. C.get component rect transform dot local scale equals 1 or equals vector 3.1 times 0.8. Okay. That should be able to save the prefab like that. Okay. Better. Also, you shouldn't be able to drag that. Shouldn't be draggable at all. That's interesting too. Why is that a thing? Inspect. Inspect card, right? Is inspect card. I guess we lock it too. We can't do it. Oh, we can still drag it. Well, that's odd, isn't it? Okay. The inspect manager. The inspect manager has a card, so the card should be can only be dragged. Not inspect card, enter card, exit card. Right? Let's see. Attach card from hand. Okay. If not is inspect card. Do that. Same thing here. Okay. Shouldn't be a problem now. Nice. Maker. Channel needs to be bolded. I don't think we have a bold version of it. If I was a Technics Pro, fonts. What text is that? Rubato. There's no bold version of this. Okay. Okay. Which is fine for now. Now, activate invoke. So now we can switch here for card names. See name placer. Okay. So then shoemaker. That's activate invoke. This is anytime a card gets played, we check for updating, right? This is my enumerator. Check for channel effects. Okay. Do we have a spot? Do we have a spot in here that says what location we're at? No, but we can do that though. Transform at POI location. We're at POI location. Okay. This should actually be a POI, not a transform. Point of interest. Looks like POI location. And that gets set originally, that's null. Until it gets set when you play the card. Right? So point of interest. Add card to player from hand. Player card dot add. C dot point location equals this. Okay. Cool. And I can call player. Then I can check player cards. Card editor window. Down here. There it is. All right. So yield return here, and then we can literally go if POI location dot player cards dot count greater than 1, then we increase attack power equals, we need the base attack, would be the data attack, so equals card data attack plus POI location player cards dot count -1. Okay, so then when any card gets played, add a POI. Check for channel effects. Right? Add card to player. Card gets added. So card played this game. Add card to game. Where are all the point of interest located? The 3 point of interest are here. They should be here. I think. My manager on this POI. Okay. We don't have a spot for that yet. All POIs. Okay. So, for loop through all POIs, and then another for loop through all POIs I dot player cards dot count. Alright, so all POIs I dot player cards J dot on channel. Check for channel effects. Okay. Start coroutine. Start coroutine. There we go. Cool. Oh. This? I guess like that. That way the coroutines are running independently on the cards. Then we also need to run it again on opponent cards. Right, so after we add the player card to the game, then we do this stuff. So that should play the shoemaker. So if I play shoemaker, so let me play beggar woman. Let me play fraud king. If I play shoemaker, okay. Shoemaker did not increase correctly. Why is that? Cards. Shoemaker. Shoemaker's attack power should be 5. They should have checked the channel. Unless it's trying to update itself now. I think we shouldn't make this a coroutine. It should just be a thing that just works. let's just void. Like that. POI cards J dot channel effects. Like that. That should work. Add card to game. Set parent POI holder. Okay, I see. Dude, Christmas up, dude. How you doing? Good to see you. So we should be adding the parent first. Alright, so we have an issue where this is not updating the channel for some reason. So it needs to check for channel effects, and the shoemaker should have a channel effect. Let me double check that. Shoemaker has a channel effect. That's weird that it's not cooperating. Base attack power plus the cards count. Right? So me go like this. Attach to you. So if I put the peasant here, skip a turn. Shoemaker now. Didn't channel it. And that's because the POIs, I never set them up in the game turn manager. That explains it, doesn't it? Amazing how that works. I don't need to do this anymore. Dude, Chris, did I say hi to you already? What's up, dude? How you doing? Good to see you. Let me turn this guy off. Now that it's going to work flawlessly. Beggar woman there. Draw a card. Frog king. Look at that. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yep. Would you just look at it? Okay. So... Alright, so amazing how it just works when it needs to work. So we're gonna make the cards. We need a card manager here. We need 2 different colors. So we need color for base color, base attack color. We need base, and we need increased attack color. We need decreased attack color. We need decreased health color. Increased health color. And increased mana, decreased mana. Need all those. Okay. Card. Check for. I said it. Was it out today? Hey, no worries, man. I know that feeling all too well. Check for updated display colors. Okay. We can say if base attack power. So if attack power equals card data dot attack power. Right? Then attack display card attack display dot color equals card manager dot base attack color. Else if attack power is greater than card data, attack display color equals card manager increase attack color. Else this decreased attack color. Okay, next thing. Okay. If health is equal to health, right? Then do base. Then do health. Well, that'll be base. That color. Okay. We're just gonna call this base color. We're just gonna call it a base color instead of a that color. Define the card manager. Card manager. Base color. Base color is black. Easy peasy. Okay. Card health display. If health is greater than health, then we increase HP color. Decreased. We do the same thing for Manana. Manana. Health equals card data dot health. This is going to be mana. Card data dot mana. Card mana display the color. Base color. Increased mana. Decreased mana. Decreased mana. So all these are going to be red. All the decrease are going to be red. The increased mana will be blue. To the card manager. To the window. To the wall. Alright. Base color. Black, black. Leave. That's what it is, right? Yeah. Black. Base color is black. Increased attack color is going to be green. That's impressive to actually almost hit the full green. Like that. Increased to this is going to be blue. Oh, wait, sorry, my bad. Increased mana is blue. No, yeah, no. Decreased mana is going to be blue. Increased mana is red. Red is bad. Cool. Done. Alright. So now we increase, so anytime that the number gets changed, anytime that a number gets changed, anytime. So we gotta actually do a getter and setter for these. So we gotta do public. So public mana cost get return mana cost set mana cost equal value update display. Check out the display colors. There we go. Cool. The same thing for health. The same thing for attack power. The health. Turn health. And then attack power. There we go. Sweet. So now this will be private, serialized. Serialized field, private, private, nope, serialized field, I'll figure it out, don't mind me. Okay, so now when we update the card data, we are updating the serialized version, or the property version. There we go. Same thing. I'm getting it from here too. Cool. This is going to equal attack power. Nope. That one. Okay. There should be no references for any of the other ones. There should be no references here. C.mana cost. Okay. C.mana cost. Okay. There's that. Our data out of health is fine. Attack power. Attack power. Equals attack power. With attack power here. There we go. All right. Okay. So do you like all my ifs? If. You like the ifs. Okay, so next thing we need to do is this should cooperate, right? Which should then increase the number. It shouldn't. Oh, compile error. Fix it. Attack. I knew it. That one's good. That one's good. Attack power. Shave. I shaved it. I did it. I do. I do, really do. So now, if we play the peasant, then we play the frog king, and then we play the shoemaker. Ew. Why? Reference not set. PO allocation equals this. Add card. PO allocation equals this. I'm sorry, I don't understand why that doesn't work. I fail to see why there's no reference there. Update manager, update. Add card to player. Get component card. I don't like card C. You know what? No one asked about if you like card C or not, okay? No one asked you, Halsey. Okay. So. Just kidding, love you. Okay. Why are you not working? Okay. Push and location is null, but this is this. So now it's setting it. That one. It's not working. It says that that's not working, which is weird. So we are going to run this again. Run in king. Rod king is this. That one works, yeah. In turn. And apparently shoemaker breaks. C is the shoemaker. The clone, so the null location, so then this is now that point of interest. Okay. Player cards holder. Oh, because that's the point of interest. Okay. I fail to see what the problem is here. Elo allocation, player cards dot count is 3. Okay. Attack power is 3 plus 3. 1. That's 5. Excuse me, are you not working? There's 3 still. Shouldn't say 3, it should say 5. Also, I can't see it. But that worked that time. Explain yourself. End turn, shoemaker. Continue. End turn. Play frog king. Continue. It says 3 with a highlighted number, which means that this didn't update the information, but it's correct. 4. Be good. Okay. So now that means that when you're updating effects, right? Okay. Update display. Wonderful. It's just randomly saying that I couldn't do that. So let's do the peasant. We'll skip a turn. 4. Needs to update. Alright, sorry. Alright, so this means that the inspector window is not updating correctly. inspect card based on data. On inspect card based on data. No, it needs to be based on card, not data. Card is going to be card dot. So this would be data dot card data. Data dot card data dot description. Update card with data. Data. We need a variant of this, right? Card to show. Right? Okay, so now we can do card to show is equal to null, then do this CNAME otherwise card to show data dot CNAME. Yeah. Description is always going to be description, regardless. Well, it's always the same thing, right? Okay, hold on a second. So card data. So card data is null. We had already set. Hold on. We already set this. Right? One inspect card. Data card data description. Okay. We already set that. So if it is null, we do this, right? So we just need to, if it's not null, put this on the other side. Okay. That way I can just go like this. Here, there, there. Okay. Card the show dot mana cost. Card the show dot health. Card the show dot attack. That should show it. Okay then. Right. So we have now we have the data. This would be a null. Big card with data, no. Card the show. Okay. Be okay then. What do you like here? Activate card info. Card. Card SL. Would be okay. Do the same thing. Card data. I just screwed this up, didn't I? Shoot. How did I mess that up? This. Take card with data. This was an SO. Need another different version of this, where it's the card instead. Right? Or the CNAME. So this was nothing. This one is okay. Now, here, on inspect card. This is on inspect card. Data. On inspect card. Shoot. Then we have a reference here for data, a reference here for card. Right? We'll activate card info. On inspect card. Then that goes here. Take card with data or card. Okay. Oof. Update card with data. Okay. On inspect card. Okay. If selected card. So if UI manager Unbegapped, how you doing? Good to see you. This is harder than it needs to be, which is not good. Right, because we have some issues. There are issues that the inspect manager is not inspecting based on the card in play. It's based on the information. Right? So we should literally just play this. The shoemaker. Shoemaker should be 4. You click on it to inspect it, it should say 4. Right? On inspect card. Card clicked. The inspect always needs to show the same. It always needs to show whatever card has been is existing. Whatever card has been clicked on, right? You're just showing that information. So it doesn't matter if the card here is selected or not. It's literally selected card, right? Why is it so complicated for no reason? It's so complicated for 0 reasons. On check inspect. If it's locked in the POI, it's that one. Otherwise, it should be this one. So it should always be, regardless of whether it's locked or not, it should always be this card. It should always be this, right? We should always be inspecting one card, right? The card info is that card. Doesn't matter if the card is locked or not. You're inspecting a card, right? We should be inspecting it based on that card. Right? So inspecting the card is the card. We are inspecting the data of the card. So this is data.card data. We're getting the data's description. We're updating it with data. Big card with data. Which is moderately correct. We don't need to do that. We just need to update the display. Gaze on the greatness of my data. There it is. Okay. Like, I'm struggling right now. Why is this so hard? Data description. Power 2 string. So update display is fine. We don't need, so we just need to update display based on the card. It should be okay. So then this activate card info should be activating. We shouldn't even need this. There's no reference to it. So I think we should be okay there. I don't think we need that one. Should be okay here. Almost. Almost worked. The info didn't update the display card. Okay, so it's almost there, almost not there. We're getting closer. You're getting closer. I think that what we need to do now is we need to inspect card. When we inspect card, we are inspecting it to the... Need to call... So what we need to do is we need to set up what card is the inspect card. I think I have one here. But the card. We change the name of this so I'm not getting confused by it. So inspect. Inspector card. Okay. And then okay. Now the inspector card on inspect card. Now we're taking this information, we're updating the inspector card. Okay, so if the card with data be pulling from a certain card spot. Oh, I can't figure it out. We'll have to figure it out next time, guys. I have to start working on actual work, on my day work, not actual work. This is actual work too. Thanks so much for hanging out. Much appreciated today, guys. Live again, maybe a little bit later for work, maybe not. Let's see who's live. This was fun. I think we're getting somewhere. I think we have it working-ish. Ish is the right word for that. Let's go over to Dev Spagus is making a game called Stardeus. Ooh, awesome dude. We're gonna give him some love. Dev Spagus' game Stardeus is in early access, and you have to go check it out. It's like RimWorld meets space, so Space World. Grab the raid message. We'll toss it in his channel. Until next time, guys. I love you. And I'll see you. Peace out. Have a good one.